Dear friends from Timor-Leste, dear friends from across ASEAN countries, I am very pleased to invite you all to the DILI International Marathon 2025, taking place October 11. This year's event carries a powerful message: Run for Palestine, a call for global peace and solidarity. At the same time, we celebrate a historic milestone: Timor-Leste full membership in ASEAN. Together, let us run for unity, for resilience, and for hope. The race will start and finish at Nicolau Lobato Presidential Palace, where thousands of athletes will gather in the early morning. Whether you join the full marathon, half marathon, para-athlete race, or the Run for Peace fun run, your steps will echo our shared commitment to a brighter future. To our ASEAN neighbors and friends, we extend a special invitation. Doors are open. Invitations will soon reach your athletics federations. Come compete with us in the spirit of friendship and solidarity. For our national athletes, I wish you all the best for your preparation. Train with pride, and may your preparation inspire our people and the nation. To the people of Timor-Leste, let's fill the streets with cheers. Let's run not just for the finish line, run for peace, for ASEAN, for humanity. Join us this October for the DILI International Marathon 2025, a run for peace and solidarity, a run for Palestine. Thank you, and God bless us all.